There are certain things I struggled with that I just couldn't do. Like if I ride motorbikes, so on some of the bikes I've got, the speedometer is quite small, so I couldn't actually see how fast I was going. I fit security devices to high-performance vehicles. A lot of my work is quite detailed, and I couldn't see what I had to do. I was starting to make the odd mistake with the job, maybe, so I had to pay more attention, and things would take a little bit longer. There's a friend of mine been to see a consultant, and he had been informed about the lens, and he was choosing that lens for his procedure. And I looked into the Galaxy lens, but once I saw the consultant and he explained all the pros and cons of the different types of lenses, I thought that was definitely the lens to go for. The first thing I saw clearly that stood out after my surgery was how bad my hands looked. All the wrinkles, cuts and grazes, how dry they were. That's the first thing that stood out. And also, I could see my phone without any problems whatsoever. It was like, wow, literally wow. And that was just with the first eye being done. And everything with the old eye was a little bit, not greyed out, but dull. And the colours are more vibrant with the new eye. And then once I had the second eye done, everything felt better, more vibrant.